This part is really simple to replace. You just have a clip back here. It goes into these little notches. And if we want a replacement, I recommend OEM part. For this one, we have the GM, and you're gonna ask them for the 15, 23, 25, 94. It's my brand new part here. You can see the metal clip there. Once I put it in, it's gonna slap and be a really quick fix. I just had this one and taped it until I was able to get the actual part. Yeah, and it's another quick fix. You guys just gotta press pretty hard in there in order for that to clip in place. It's like new. There's no gap in between. And this is in place. Feels really sturdy and nice. My other one was just kind of in there floating. It was taped up, but it's good to go.